y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a closet declutter with me. I've needed to tackle this closet for a while. It's where we keep our board games, Play-Doh, fun stuff like that, in addition to some household items. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I start out by taking everything off the top two shelves and taking that to my dining room table. I knew a lot of that stuff I would give away or donate, but the bottom two shelves we would keep. So I started out first by going through those top two shelves. Once I have those two shelves on my kitchen table, I decide to start sorting by what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to give away or donate, and what's just trash. I usually decide this by looking at how often Liam still plays with it, how used it is, and also if he's grown out of it from an age perspective. This is where I spent the majority of my time because, as you guys know, if you have kids and Play-Doh, it dries out pretty quickly, so I really wanted to check into each Play-Doh container, see what was dried out and what we could throw away. And the same thing with the Play-Doh toys. Some things had gotten mixed in there that shouldn't be with Play-Doh, some things that I could just get rid of, so I wanted to pay close attention when I was going through that as well. To keep all the Play-Doh stuff together, I decided to take these two that were in their own separate boxes and separate them into plastic gallon-sized bags so that then I could put them with the rest of the Play-Doh stuff and make some more room in the closet. Not sure if you guys have realized what I'm using to hold all of the Play-Doh stuff yet, but it's actually one of those large plastic comforter bags that your comforter comes in when you buy it from the store. So I don't know why I decided to use this, but at the time it seemed the most practical and it's totally working. So don't laugh at my crazy ideas. And as you can see, I'm using a separate one that I got from a recent sheet set to hold the actual Play-Doh, just to keep the two of them separate in the bag. I used to love scrapbooking when I had more time, and here are just some scrapbooks and photo albums that I've decided I'm going to go ahead and let go and donate. Now that I've gone through both of those shelves, I decided to start putting some stuff back and moving things from the two bottom ones to the top one to see how much space I'm going to have left to play around with. Now is when I also take the time to decide what on those bottom two shelves I'm going to give away, donate, or keep. Now you guys know I couldn't miss an opportunity to vacuum out this closet while I had everything out of it. If you're wondering what the large purple container on wheels is, that's what I use to store all of my scrapbooking materials. And now it's time to clean up the rest of my mess. And there it is, guys. I was able to get a whole shelf, making some of our household items more accessible, while also making Liam's favorite games accessible to him, and things he didn't need access to are on the top shelf. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye!